interesting, you will love it. This is my HR data and I have around 1000 employees with me. So from first row, if I want to go to the last row, what you will press? Control down arrow key, right? So I press control down. I have 1000 records over here. And what is my requirement is, or my manager tells me, Ramzan, sometime filter on gender. So I go to the data, I do the filter. Sometime I have to filter on nationality, sometime on department. So every time I use filter, I will show you such an interesting text over here that they click on a button and everything will be filtered. You don't have to go to again and again data filter. And to do this, you have only 3 steps. So now we are learning how do you create an interactive button in an Excel sheet for management so that they can just click on a button and everything happens like magical. Got it? So let's see how do you do that. The first step is you will insert few rows over here. First step. There are 3 steps. So see how I will do. I will come on row number 1 and I will select all the 7 rows. You can do after me. Let me complete it. So first I selected 7 rows. Now I want to insert a row. What is the shortcut for inserting a row? Very good. Control Shift plus or Control plus. You see I am pressing. So I say Control plus and my rows are added. First step is inserting a rows. Second step, convert your data into the table. How do you convert your data into table? Control T. Very good. So I come over here and I say Control T and my data has been converted into the table. Now the third step is here you will add interactive button for your management. It's lovely. So I will come over here friends and I will go to insert. Make sure you put your cursor inside the data, not outside. So in insert there is an option slicer. Wonderful option, you are going to love this option. So I go and click on the slicer and it will ask you, hey, which slicer you want? Slicer means buttons, filters. So I want to add gender, nationality. So I quickly click on gender over here. I click on nationality and regularly I do filter on department and location. That's all. And I say okay. So all my buttons has come here. Now we will arrange it nicely over here and you will say wow. And then how do you implement it? So I put the gender over here. I put the nationality over here. I put the department over here and I put the location over here. Done. Now I will come on gender and I will make it little small. I come on nationality, make it small. I come on department, make it small. And now I make it small. Now again I will make it more beautiful. Now what is going to happen, you know? You click on a button and it will filter down. I will show you. So I come on this gender and let me just make it little bit small. If you love color, you can change the color from the top. You can change the heading from the top. I will just move it over here and I will move it over here. That's all. Now you see the magic friends. I am clicking on female. And as soon as I click on female, my all female data is filtered over here. I come on the data over here for male. So I got all the male. I want to see how many male in Bahrain. So nationality Bahrain and male. Again, if you want to clear the data, this is the option. So this is the option for clearing them. Means once you click on it, all your data. I want to see how many people are in finance, all the details. So I click on finance. So all the finance. I clear. I want all the Fujairah, Ajman, Kohen, administrative finance. It's amazing. So again I click on it, click on it, click on it. So now you don't have to go again and again to the filter. So 3 steps. First step is what? Insert few blank rows. Second step, convert your data into the table. Third step, go to insert and click on slicer. Add the slicer, beautifully arrange it, color it, give it to the management and they are happy. Got it? Can you give it a try? So next 5 minutes is your complete. Try it. If you have any problem, ask me, I will solve it.